Hello Westfield, happy spring. I'm Tom Flaherty. I'm the new general manager here at the Westfield Gas and Electric Whip City Fiber, and I'm here with some exciting news. Whip City Fiber is now 5 years old, and we're here to announce more connections here in the city. We're really excited to announce the following areas for the expansion this year. Upper Montgomery Road area in the Wyben section of Westfield, Meadow Street to St. Paul to Hanover to Sycamore, the White Street area, Main Street to East Bartlett Street, the area from the Great River Bridge to Franklin Avenue all the way to Franklin School, the Russell Road area out near Toccoa Country Club, Main Line Drive, and the Hamden Ponds area of Westfield. If you live in one of these areas and have yet to apply, please go to whipcityfiber.com and sign up today. These are the areas that are on schedule to be installed over the next 12 months. However, we haven't forgotten about the rest of Westfield. Our goal is to have downtown Westfield to Broad Street done in 2022, and then moving forward to have the remainder of Westfield fully completed by the end of 2025. Thank you very much for being loyal customers here to Westfield Gas and Electric and Whip City Fiber.